Choose the word that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank, best fits the meaning of the sentence. The majority of the population criticizes the self-expressive attitude of the president. They do not necessarily expect perfect articulation, but they do expect blank and humility. So I'm going to highlight the key parts, which is a self-expressive attitude. They don't expect perfect articulation, and they do expect blank and humility. Now these highlighted words give us a lot of information about our missing word. It says blank and humility, meaning humility and our missing word are going to be very connected. It says they don't expect perfect articulation, so we know they're not talking about how someone speaks. It's talking about the meaning behind what they're saying. And it also fits in with the self-expressive attitude. They have an issue with the president's attitude. And now, given this information, we're going to go through the answer options and see which can fit these demands. So the first word is candor, which means to be honest. And honesty does fit in with humility, and it has nothing to do with how you speak. You can speak very poorly and still speak honestly. And it has a lot to do with attitude, and as it fits all three, we're going to leave it blank. The second word is mortification, or to be mortified or embarrassed. And I don't believe anybody wants their president to be embarrassed, and for this reason we're going to cross it out. The third and fourth word, enunciation and diction, are both very similar to the word articulation. And if we read the text, it says they don't expect perfect articulation, but they do expect blank. Meaning our missing word is not going to have anything to do with articulation, so we can remove enunciation and diction. And the last word is patronage, which means to be patronizing or condescending. And just like with mortification, nobody wants their president to be condescending to them. And it's also talking about self-expressive attitude. And for this reason, we're going to cross it out too. And when we look, we've only got one answer that wasn't eliminated, which is candor, and our final word.